Today I want to show you what to do if your TCL 50XL Next Paper touchscreen is not working properly or is glitching or malfunctioning. There's a simple button combination you can do that will basically shut the phone down, turn it back on, and it usually will fix any minor issues with the software. Let me show you how to do this. We're going to simply hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the entire screen goes off, just like this. Okay, power, volume down, we're going to hold them together. 1, 2, 3, hold. You will see it trigger a screenshot. Continue to hold the buttons. And as soon as the entire screen goes black, you want to let go of those two buttons. There you go. That took about under 10 seconds. Now, you want to wait about 5 seconds and see if the phone comes back on. And if it doesn't, guess what? You've just broken your phone. I'm just kidding. All you'll need to do is simply press and hold on the power button until you see the logo pop up or you'll feel a vibration. Then you let go, and guess what? Now the phone is turning back on. And basically what we've successfully done is we performed a soft reset. It just shut the entire system down, turns it back on. And again, this usually will help to clear up any minor issues with the software, especially if you're in an app that might be stuck, or again, your touchscreen is just not working properly. This usually will clear out whatever the software glitch is that could be holding the phone up. And now our touchscreen is working just fine. Now, if this did not work for you, here is the next thing you need to do. Well, let me ask you this question. Is there any physical damage on your screen? Have you dropped the phone? Are there any cracks? If there are, then you will need to take your phone to a local service and repair center. Find just a local cell phone repair shop and have them look at your screen and have them potentially diagnose it to see if it needs to be replaced. And 9 times out of 10, if there's physical damage and your touchscreen is not working properly, it's probably because of the physical damage. So that is what I recommend if this trick did not work for you. If it did work, please bump that like button down below. We definitely appreciate the support. And if you got value out of this video, make sure you leave a comment and make sure you subscribe so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.